oh my God, I'm driving. Oh, how long? How long was that?
Who fought on the way over here?
We're gonna fight on the way back.
I say fight now so I don't have to work for the next 30 minutes. I say, y'all are clearly a couple. Who's the guy in her life that you hate? It's her best friend. How long has this guy been your best friend?
A couple of years now.
Couple of years.
Way before him.
Okay, that doesn't mean he hasn't been trying to fuck you for a couple of years. Where'd you meet this best friend? At work? Oh, that's worse. Oh, no. She has to see him every day. Okay, where do you work? At a school? You're not fucking these kids, are you? Are you a teacher?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Okay, all right, okay. What do you teach?
Math.
You teach math? All right, fuck you. What is he a teacher as well?
Yes.
What does he teach?
Science.
Science? Would you say you two have chemistry?
No.
No?
No, we have chemistry right here.
Doesn't sound like it. Sounds like y'all are about to be history.
I'm originally from Columbus, Ohio. I don't know if anybody's ever made that mistake. You said Ohio. You from Ohio?
No, it just sounds funny.
It just sounds funny? Wait for the rest of the show. You're going to lose your fucking mind. Oh my God. Didn't know geography got you off like that. My bad. Check this out. Tallahassee. More syllables. You what? Where are you from?
Mexico City.
Mexico City? Nice. You live here now, or are you just hiding? Or... fucking awesome. No, that's so cool. I fucking love Mexico, man. I get all my coke from there. You guys do a really good job. You guys do fantastic. What, how long have you been here?
Yo no sé.
Yeah, no, now you don't speak English all the time. No habla inglés. Suspicioso. There's no way that's a word. And canceled. Great. Shut the show off.
Did you know that it's Black History Month? You did know that. Have you learned anything yet? No? Oh, Jimmy. Does anybody have a Black History fact or statistic that would... Oh, let's hear this white girl. What was it? What do you got?
African American invented the super soaker, Lonnie Johnson.
What's that? He invented the super soaker? No way. What's his name? Lonnie what? What is it? Lonnie Johnson. That sounds like every cornerback. I used to love the super soaker, man. Okay, that's a good one. What's another one?
He also invented the Nerf gun.
The same guy invented the Nerf gun? I mean, if they're gonna keep shooting each other, might as well be safe. Fuck y'all, dude. That's a good joke, man. Dude, can we end on a fun third? Does anybody have another one? Nope. Not looking good, Connecticut. We've heard enough. What's that?
It used to only be a week long till a president changed it to the month.
Black History Month used to only be a week long, and then a president changed it to make it the whole month, the shortest month.
Yeah.
Do you know what president it was?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? I do want to know this, actually.
It was Lonnie Johnson.
Bro! Yep. Yeah. I was gonna give it a second. I was gonna say the same thing, bro. I was gonna act like I was Googling for 10 seconds. Lonnie Johnson. fuck. Oh, man. Oh, we are learning. We are learning some stuff. What's that?
It's for you. It's a Build-A-Bear.
That's for me?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a Build-A-Bear.
You got me a Build-A-Bear? Why?
It's a voice message too in it.
As a voice message?
From your show where you said if someone got you a Build-A-Bear.
Oh my god. So I did a TikTok one time where the girl in the audience was saying it was a red flag that a guy brought her a Build-A-Bear on a first date. And I had said in the video, I was like, I would love if somebody brought me a Build-A-Bear. So you brought me one?
Yeah.
I gotta do more jokes about getting my dick sucked. I really gotta. Fuck, man. What am I doing with all this cute shit? Oh god, thanks I guess. This is so sweet, thank you. Oh, your numbers are on here. It might still happen. It might still happen. Okay. Cool. We can use them for cleanup. Can I take them out of here?
Yeah.
This is so cute. Aww. You didn't spring to get him any clothes? That's kind of the whole, you didn't really build the bear. You just kind of just, looks like you stole one, kind of. There's a voicemail in it?
Yeah, you press his paw.
Presses the paw? What if I press it and it's just like, I want you to front focus.
It might be the other one.
That sucks, I can't lie. That's not incredibly audible, but it's a thought that counts. Thank you so much. This is one of the sweetest, laziest gifts in the world. Thank you. Oh, back in there you go. There we go. Do you have light up shoes?
I do.
Why? They're so bright.
You're welcome.
What's that?
I said you're welcome.
You said you're welcome? Yeah, thank you for bringing Christmas lights on your feet. I appreciate that. If you click your heels together 3 times, you go back to Dayton. How cute is that? Can I see it? Can I see it so they understand? Are you able to take one of them off? Or both, forever? Look at this kiosk motherfucker right here. You buy these at the same kiosk you can get your phone screen fixed for $7.99. You got those on Amazon? Give them back. Free return policy.
Read the shirt.
What'd your show say? Put your balls all over me.
It's Christmas.
I feel like you can't wait to have your chimney come in. That's fucking... Oh my god. It's been a hard year. It feels like you've learned nothing.
No, I had my 4 days in the Marines. It's fine.
What? Did you say I had my whore phase in the Marines? Yeah, that's what I want my soldiers doing. How'd you get those hostages back? Well...
Soldiers are Army, Marines are Marines.
Well, those shoes are awful regardless, so those can't be service mandatory. What did you do in the Marines besides suck dick? Circumcised. Oh, it's Semper Fi. Sorry. Different one. Sorry. I didn't know.